What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to split text and numbers from a single cell into two separate columns in Microsoft Excel. This can be particularly useful when you have data that combines both elements and you need to separate them for analysis or reporting. Let's say there's data in cell A2 that combines text and numbers, and you want to separate these elements so that the text goes into cell B2 and the number into cell C2. We'll achieve this using a formula-based approach. First, we'll extract the text. In cell B2, you're going to use a specific formula that pulls only the text part from cell A2. While this formula is used for the cell A2, know that you can make it work for any cell, as long as you tweak the cell number, A2 in this case, in which you have data containing both text and numbers. You can find this formula in the video description below. Simply copy the formula from there, paste it into cell B2 and press enter. You should see that the text from A2 appears in B2. If you drag this formula down from cell B2, it will split the text parts from other cell in column A into column B. The formula will auto-adjust to cater different cell positions. Next, we'll extract the numbers. In cell C2, use another formula that isolates just the numbers from cell A2. Like before, while this formula is used for the cell A2, know that you can make it work for any cell as long as you tweak the cell number in which you have data containing both the text and numbers. This formula is also provided in the description. Paste it into cell C2, hit enter, and the number from A2 will appear in C2. Similarly, dragging this formula down from C2 will apply it to the other cells, separating numbers into column C. The formula will auto-adjust to cater different cell positions. By following these steps, you've successfully split the combined text and numbers from column A into separate text in column B and numbers in column C. This method is straightforward and ensures your data is neatly organized for further use. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.